Hello everybody and welcome to my home. My name is Ashley Marie. I'm actually in the middle of moving houses at the moment, so if you're interested in seeing my empty house tour, I will have it linked down in the description box below for you, but we need to do a top-up shop at Costco. They have some Mother's Day goodies like this plush wrap robe, which comes in a variety of colors. It's white, gray, and navy blue, and that's only $19.99. I did see they had these two different kinds of pajamas. These were only $17.99, and they've still got those blankets I've showed you in one of my last hauls, but I thought I'd mention that the double size is on a rebate. The 3-pack of these gorgeous candles with the two different kinds of color schemes, $59.99 for the candles and $28.99 for these limited edition bath salts. I've never tried these Biscoff Kit Kat creations before. You guys will need to let me know down in the description box, sorry, in the comments if you guys have had them. These soaps were so pretty. They're huge, by the way. They're as big as my hand. They did also have the body washes, which were even bigger. I swear every grandma and her dog has had these biscuit tins in their life and in their kitchen before. These were only $18.98 and they're huge. It was only $8.39 for this gigantic box of Cocoa Pops, so you know your girl got some. I did see this new product from Febreze. It's like a cross between Downy Unstoppables and Febreze. So when you touch the item that you've sprayed, it's supposed to like smell incredible. Let me know if you've tried it because I didn't grab it, but I wanted to. I did need to get myself some scent beads though. And I will show you guys a comparison of how big this bottle is later because it's huge and it's the same price as it is at Coles. But I saw this Cricut maker as well. But onto the haul. These were only $1.97, guys. $1.97 each because they did need to go out by today. So I'm going to eat an entire packet probably. Well, I can honestly say that half of it's already gone and I'm going to freeze the other two. The ground beef was $33.95, but it worked out to be $10 exactly a kilo. These kids yogurts, they're 140 grams. There's 10 in the packet. I'll show you guys the size. And the whole packet costs $13.99. These Downy Unstoppable beads are $31.99, but as I said, they're huge in comparison to the Coles ones. I will show you a comparison to the size of my arm. They are just, it's the biggest bottle. I can't even explain it. These chocolate wafer sticks are $3.99 for the whole packet, and it's a 700-gram packet. Okay, so the baby mums, there's 72 rusks in the entire pack. Each individual package that I'm pulling out for you now contains 9 individual packets. Of those 9 individual packets, there are 2 rusks in those packets. So that's how it works out to be 72. But the rusks, if you were wondering, were $8.99. The Milo bars that you see here, I always grab, so you're probably bored of seeing them. They're $12.89 for the entire package. So that's 3 packets of 10 and they're that size. As I said earlier, it was $8.39 for the Cocoa Pops and it's 1.26 kilos approximately. It's a huge bag. I finally picked up one of these Lunchbox Packs. Obviously, my kids don't go to school, but I wanted to show you they're the regular size. You get 14 honey, 14 choc chip, and 14 of the chocolate regular ones for only $11.48. And the croissants, as you guys are probably aware, are $11.99. I myself was curious to see what this party pack size, like how it was packaged, because I obviously didn't want to open it up if it was going to be that many pieces, but it does come with the 2 mega packs, so that's pretty good. In total, you get 88 pieces for $20.99. But that's it for today's video, guys. I know it was a bit of a shorter one. Make sure you subscribe if you're interested in these kind of videos. I, of course, am going to have a huge Costco haul soon because we've just moved house, but I appreciate you more than you know.